Cardinal splits. Cardinal splits. Cardinal splits. Cardinal splits. Finish will call to order. I'll have a medium pizza with extra cheese and extra pepperoni. What? Because I will call into order. I mean, about to begin. Oh. First up, we need to good. As I was saying, we need to talk about Are you okay, Snorky? Uh-oh. I think he has the hiccups. Hold your breath. I guess. That never works. No, I don't know at the same time. Okay. I think they're going there this time. So we have to do is boo. You could go on. No, do that. I know. Try standing on your head. Okay. Thanks, sweetie. If you say so.